Hello everyone, Selamat pagi, selamat siang, selamat malam. Today I will introduce how to create a cover page on Word. Before we start, you need to open a blank page on Word. We have two burning objectives today. First, I will explain what's cover page and why should we make it. And then we will find out how to create it step by step. So let's get started. Why should we make a cover page? First, look at these two pages. What's the difference between them? You can easily see that the page on the left side is more colorful and attractive. Now, imagine that today you are the boss and your employee is supposed to hand in the report. Which cover will you be more satisfied when you get? Yes, definitely the left one. So now I will teach you how to create a cover page on Word. And in today's video, the report topic is our theme, PassByValue. There are basically two main points. One is to insert a cover page template, and the other is to design your template. Step 1. Put the cursors on the top, which is the place you should make your cover page, and left-click it. Step 2. Left-click Insert, and then click Cover Page, and choose an example template. Today's class, I will use the example template named Motion. Then you will get a cover page like this. Now we check the step again. Put the cursors on the top and left click it. And click Insert. And click Cover Page. And then you scroll down to find out Motion. And now you get your cover page. After inserting a template, we will be able to design it. First, we should type the title of the report. To type the title, you need to first double-click the document title. And step 4, type the topic or your document. Let's watch the video to work on it together. Double-click the document title and key in your document title. And now, if you don't like the pink color of the cover, you can change it. To change the color, in step 5, we right-click the pink side. Be careful, right-click, and you will see this view. And then click the fill icon. And you will be able to choose a color whichever you like. So now we check the video again. You right-click the pink color and click Fill. And today I choose this color. In next step, I will teach how to change the picture of your page. Step 7. To change the picture, you need to right-click the photo. After right-click, you will see this view. And you need to first click Change Picture. And second, you click From a File. And you will get this window. You can insert a picture from your computer. We have learned how to insert a picture in the computer basic class. If you forget, just click the YouTube card on the upper right corner and check the video again, and let's watch the video to see how to change picture. You right-click on the photo and first click Change Picture and second click From a File. Because today I saved the picture in the desktop, so I click Desktop to click File and Insert. Now we enter the last step in today's class. Hooray! And you can see there are some elements you don't need. So we should delete them. To delete them, you need to click the element and press Delete on your keyboard. and repeat this action to delete all of the elements. Let's check out the video again. You click the elements and press delete on keyboard and repeat this action. Now you have finished today's class and get a complete cover page. And here's a small mission for you. You need to design your own autobiography cover page. If you miss some problem, please tell us and comment below. Hope you enjoyed today's class. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe PassByValue and CKU. See you next time. Bye bye.